Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set custom tab background in Firefox. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, what you have to do is edit the about config. So about config, you will get this warning caution, accept, and then you want to type style sheets, and where it says legacy user profile customization, you want to make this true. Double click that and then go to about profiles, and you want to look for the version of Firefox that you are using. So I'm going to modify this profile, open folder, the root directory, and inside this folder, add a folder here called Chrome. Inside of there, we create a CSS file called user content CSS. Also going to add a folder just called wallpapers. Can call this whatever you want, but this is where you want to store your images, and I have some images here, so we'll start with this one. I'll drag that there and in the CSS file, and you want to copy this bit of CSS. So all we are doing is modifying the background image, and notice here we are customizing the new tab page, the about home, and the private browsing tabs. If you just want to customize the new tab and not the other tabs, you can simply remove them. You can also give each tab their own background. I want to apply the background all of these tabs, so I'll just leave them. Now all we have to do is put a background image under this background image URL, and then we set the location and the image. Hit save on that and then restart your browser. And now our background is set. And the nice part about this, you don't need an extension and it doesn't mess up the layout customizations from the add-on. It just changes the background image and nothing else. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set a custom tab background in Firefox. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it. How to set custom tab background in Firefox. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.